Okay, sir, this is the second video for explain the IEEE 33 buses. It is the same thing for the base case and the load flow, but the difference it is the load data. As you, if you open this, the load data of IEEE, as you see here, the same. It is the number of buses, and this is the load and the reactive power, as you see here, and the other file, it is the line data, as you see here, the number of line or branch, and the sending end bus, receiving end bus, the resistance and reactance of each buses for the 33 bus IEEE. It is the difference between the IEEE 10 and the IEEE 33, and the base case, it is the same. As you see here, the same. This is the load flow program, called the load program, and then printed the result as we mentioned before: power loss, reactive power, voltage reliability index, and energy net supplied, and minimum voltage. And after that, we plotted the voltage. And the load flow, it is the same. As you see here, we called the initial parameter and called the network data, and after that, preparing the data of the network and calculated the per units and the for the resistance and reactance, and for the power real and reactive, and then arrange the network as you see here until to the line 150, and after that we calculated the voltage as assumed before. First thing, it is assumed the voltage for each bus, it is 1, and then calculated the branch current, and after we calculated the branch current, then back to calculated the voltage of each buses, and repeated this process 10 times, and then after that we get the voltage and the current, the branch current from each for the network, and then calculated the losses, reactive power, reactive power losses, real power losses, voltage stability index, power flow, and then also we calculated the reliability index and energy not supplied, and then output them for the load flow in the base case to printed in the screen. If you click run, you see this is the voltage graph for the base case IEEE, and this is the power loss, reactive power, voltage profile index, and reliability index, and the energy not supplied, and the minimum voltage. This is for IEEE 33 bus. It is the same IEEE 10 buses, but the difference it is in the load and line data. So we hope it is clear. If you have also any other question or any information you want to or you need to clarify, ask us. Don't worry, and we will answer you. Thank you very much.